In the next few minutes, we'll cover everything you need to know about the Palm Springs real estate market for February 2025. From all the latest sales data across all the Coachella Valley cities to the impact of recent Los Angeles wildfires on our local market. And we'll also reveal why Palm Springs has become the top destination for people moving into California and what this means for home prices and availability. Hi. Neal here, your local living in Palm Springs realtor with the Palm Springs Real Estate Market Update for February 2025. The Palm Springs real estate market is undergoing a significant transformation, shifting from a seller's paradise to a more balanced landscape. This change brings a new set of opportunities and challenges for both buyers and sellers in the area. So let's find out how this evolving market is shaping up and what it means for those looking to invest in Palm Springs. One of the most notable indicators of this shift is the current sales volume, which sits at 26.3% below normal levels. This cooling trend suggests that the frenzied pace of sales that we've seen in the recent years is really starting to slow down. However, it's not all doom and gloom for sellers as the median home prices continue to climb. For detached homes in the Palm Springs, Coachella Valley area, the median price has now reached $689,753, and that's representing a steady increase despite the slowdown in sales. The current price of a median-sized home in Palm Springs is $1,209,344. The current median price of a Palm Springs condo is $469,313. Another key metric to consider is the month of sales ratio, which has risen above pre-pandemic levels to 5.6 months. This figure is particularly telling as it indicates that supply is now beginning to outpace demand across almost all the price brackets that we have in Palm Springs. For potential buyers, this could mean more options and potentially more negotiating power when it comes to making offers. The good news is that this market normalization is creating more sustainable environments for both buyers and sellers. The Palm Springs area has emerged as California's top destination for new residents in 2024, a trend that's reshaping the local housing landscape. Our desert oasis is drawing people from across the state and beyond, creating a unique dynamic in our real estate market. The appeal of Palm Springs lies in a combination of factors that make it an attractive place to call home. Affordability stands out as a key driver, especially for those coming from more expensive areas in California. With the Coachella Valley median home price of $650,000, Palm Springs offers a more accessible entry point for home buyers compared to the pricier coastal areas. This price point is particularly enticing for those looking to get more bang for their buck without sacrificing quality of life. Our community's reputation for quality healthcare is also a significant draw, particularly for those retirees and those prioritizing medical access. And of course, we can't overlook the weather. Palm Springs' desert climate with its abundant sunshine and warm temperatures is a major selling point. For those tired of the foggy coastal areas in California or the hustle and bustle of big city life and the cold weather elsewhere, the sunny days of Palm Springs does offer a refreshing change of pace. This combination of factors is attracting a diverse group of new residents to Palm Springs. And remote workers freed from the constraints of office-based jobs are still discovering they can have a high quality of life while working from home here in a beautiful desert setting. Retirees are flocking to the area, drawn by the relaxed lifestyle, golf courses, and the abundant leisure activities. Investors also are taking notice, seeing potential in the growing market and the already steady influx of new residents. The result is a fascinating blend of longtime Palm Springs residents and newcomers, each bringing their own perspectives and their contributions to our community. This mix is creating a vibrant, dynamic atmosphere here in the Coachella Valley with new businesses, cultural offerings, and community initiatives springing up to cater to this changing population. So what does this influx mean for the local real estate market? Well, despite the overall trend towards market normalization, the steady stream of new residents is helping to maintain demand for homes in all 9 cities of the Coachella Valley. Looking ahead, the California real estate market as a whole is expected to see some growth in 2025. Projections suggest that there will be more homes available for purchase and interest rates hopefully will be lower by the end of the year. These factors will lead to increased buyer activity, potentially benefiting the Palm Springs area that's already seeing strong interest. As we look ahead, the Palm Springs real estate market is shaping up to be a balanced arena for both buyers and sellers. With the median price for the Coachella Valley homes hovering around $665,000, the market does show signs of steady growth without overheating. For those eyeing a move to our desert oasis, the coming year could present some really great opportunities. Potential buyers might want to consider making their move earlier in 2025 to get ahead of the competition, as prices are expected to climb slowly but surely. On the flip side, sellers should set realistic expectations about the time it might take to close a deal as the market continues to normalize from its previous short number of days on the market we've experienced the past few years. One trend to watch for is the growing demand for eco-friendly properties. Buyers are increasingly drawn to homes featuring solar power and energy-efficient systems, reflecting a shift towards sustainability here in the Palm Springs market. This trend could shape the future of real estate here in our area, offering diverse opportunities for both buyers and sellers in the coming years. If you are thinking about buying or selling, or just want more information about the Palm Springs real estate market, be sure to schedule a free, no-obligation Zoom call with me. We can help you make a plan that meets your specific lifestyle and your budget needs. Just click on the description in the link below to book that call with me. Now, watch this next video to learn more about living here in the Palm Springs area.